Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am great, thank you. I had a very productive day. Productive means I did a lot of good work. And you, Jake?
I am good, but I am a little tired. I had a very long day at the office. Many emails, many meetings.
Oh, that sounds like a busy day.
It was, but I like my job. I like being creative. I like making designs.
That is nice. And speaking of work, that is actually our topic today.
Oh, work? That is a great topic. Many people use English at work.
Yes, exactly. Today we are going to learn phrasal verbs for the office.
Phrasal verbs. Some people call them two-word verbs. We talked about them before, right?
That's right. A phrasal verb is a verb plus a small word like up, on, in, or out. Together, they make a new meaning.
Like turn on or sit down.
Perfect. Today, we are going to learn 12 phrasal verbs. 12, all for the office, for your job.
12? That is a lot.
Don't worry. We will learn them in 3 groups, and we will follow one full day at work, from morning to evening.
Oh, I like that idea. Let's do it.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. So, Group 1, the morning. When you arrive at your office, at your workplace, you do many things every morning, and many of those things are phrasal verbs.
Really? I never thought about that.
Yes, our first phrasal verb is come in.
Come in.
Come in. Come in means to enter a place. You open the door and you come in. In the morning, you come into the office.
My boss always says, "Good morning, Jake. Come in."
Exactly. It is very friendly. Please, come in. You can also say, what time did you come in today? That means, what time did you arrive?
Ah, I see. So my coworker can ask me, "What time did you come in?" And I say, "I came in at 9."
Perfect. A coworker is someone you work with, the people at your office. Now, the next phrasal verb, turn on.
Turn on. I know this one. Turn on the light, turn on the computer.
Yes, when you arrive at work, what is the first thing you do?
I turn on my computer, and then I make coffee.
Of course, coffee first for Jake.
Always. But yes, I turn on my computer every single morning.
Good. Turn on means to start a machine. You press the button and it starts. You turn on the computer, you turn on the light, you turn on the printer.
You can also turn on the air conditioning when the office is very hot in summer.
That's right. And the other way is turn off. Turn on means start, turn off means stop. At the end of the day, you turn off your computer. Now, number 3, log in.
Log in. What does that mean?
Log in. Login. Log in. When you turn on your computer, you need to log in. You type your name and your password, and then you can use the computer.
Ah, I do this every day. I log into my email, I log into the design program.
Exactly. You log into your email, you log into the system, you log in with your password.
Sometimes I forget my password, and I have to ask for help. My face gets red.
It happens to everyone, don't worry. And our last phrasal verb in Group 1 is write down.
Write down? That means to write something on paper, right?
Yes, write down means to write something so you don't forget it. You write it on paper or on your phone. You write down notes. You write down important things.
In meetings, I always write down the important points. My boss talks very fast, so I write everything down.
That is very smart, Jake. You can write down your tasks for the day. You can write down ideas. You can write down the deadline. A deadline is the last day you have to finish something.
Oh, yes. My boss says the deadline is Friday, and I write it down in my notebook.
Good. So let's review Group 1, 4 phrasal verbs for the morning.
Come in,
Turn on,
log in.
and write down. These are things you do every morning when you start work. Jake, can you use all 4 in a short story?
Let me try. Every morning, I come into the office at 9. I say hello to everyone. Then I turn on my computer, I wait a few seconds, then I log into my email, I check my messages. If something is important, I write it down in my notebook.
That was wonderful, Jake. You used all 4 phrasal verbs perfectly. Very, very natural.
Thank you, Judy. This is fun. What is Group 2?
Group 2 is about working with people, meetings, conversations, teamwork, the middle of your day.
Okay, I am ready.
First, work on.
Work on. I think I know this one. Like, I am working on a project?
Exactly. Work on means to spend time doing something, to give your time and effort to a task. I am working on a new design. She is working on the report.
Right now at my job, I am working on a big design for a new company. It is a lot of work.
That sounds exciting, and work on is very useful when your boss asks you a question. If your boss asks, "Is the report ready?" and it isn't ready yet, what do you say?
I say, I am working on it.
Perfect. I am working on it means I am not finished, but I am doing it right now.
I say that a lot at work. I am working on it. I am working on it.
Now, our next one is speak up.
Speak up? Like talk louder?
Yes, that is one meaning. If someone talks very quietly, you can say, "Can you speak up, please? I can't hear you."
My coworker Tom speaks very quietly in meetings. We always say, "Tom, please speak up."
But speak up has another meaning too. Speak up also means to share your idea, to say what you think, to be brave and talk. In a meeting, your boss might say, "Does anyone have an idea? Don't be shy, please speak up."
Ah, so it means to be brave and say your thoughts, even if you are nervous.
Exactly. Don't be afraid. Speak up. Share your ideas. Your ideas are important.
I like that. Sometimes at work, people are quiet because they are scared, but it is important to speak up.
Very true. The next phrasal verb is bring up.
Bring up. Like carry something up?
No. In the office, bring up means to start talking about a topic. To say, "Hey, I want to talk about this." For example, "I want to bring up a problem." That means I want to talk about a problem.
So if I have a question in a meeting, I bring it up.
Yes, you can say, "Can I bring something up?" That means, "Can I talk about something?" Or, "I want to bring up the deadline. I think we need more time."
My boss always says that at the end of meetings. Does anyone want to bring up anything else?
That is a perfect example. She's asking, "Is there anything else you want to talk about?" Now, our last one in group 2, figure out.
Figure out. I think this means to find the answer.
Yes, you got it. Figure out means to understand something or to find the answer to a problem. I can't figure out this problem. That means I don't know how to fix this problem.
At work, I figure out problems every day. Like, why doesn't this design look right? I need to figure it out.
Exactly. Let me figure out the best color. We need to figure out the answer. It's about thinking and finding the answer.
My coworker Lisa is very smart. She always figures out the hard problems. She is very good at that.
That is wonderful. So, group 2 review. 4 phrasal verbs for the middle of your day.
Work on,
Speak up
bring up.
and figure out. Jake, let's practice. I'll be your boss in a meeting. Ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming. Jake, can you give us an update on the project?
Yes, I am working on the new design right now. It is almost finished, but I can't figure out the right colors. The customer wants something bright, but I'm not sure what color.
Okay, that is fine. Does anyone want to speak up? Any ideas for Jake?
Actually, I want to bring up something else. I think we need more time. Can we change the deadline to next Wednesday?
That is a good point. Let me think about it. Okay, meeting over.
Wow, that felt like a real meeting in my office.
It was, and you used 4 phrasal verbs perfectly. Now, let's move to group 3, the end of the day.
My favorite part, going home.
First, get back to.
Get back to. That's 3 words.
Yes, some phrasal verbs have 3 words. Get back to means to reply to someone later. If someone calls you and you are busy, you say, I will get back to you.
Ah, I use this with emails all the time. Someone sends me a question, I don't know the answer yet, so I write, let me get back to you.
Perfect. I will get back to you this afternoon. Let me get back to you tomorrow. It is very kind and friendly. It means, I didn't forget you. I will answer you later.
Yes, it is a promise. I will get back to you.
Good. Now, hand in.
Hand in, like give something to someone?
Yes, hand in means to give your finished work to someone, usually to your boss or your teacher. You finish a report and you hand it in.
So I can say, I handed in my design yesterday.
Very good. Students hand in homework. Workers hand in reports. You finish your work and then you hand it in.
My boss always says, please hand in your reports by Friday.
By Friday means before Friday or on Friday. Now, wrap up.
Wrap up. I'm not sure about this one.
Wrap up means to finish, to end something. At the end of a meeting, someone says, let's wrap up. That means, let's finish the meeting.
Oh, that is very useful. Let's wrap up this meeting means let's end this meeting.
Yes, you can also say, I need to wrap up my work before I go home. That means you need to finish everything.
My boss says this every Friday. Let's wrap up everything before the weekend.
Exactly. And our last phrasal verb for today is head out.
Head out.
Head out means to leave, to go somewhere. At the end of your workday, you head out. I am heading out now. See you tomorrow.
I like this one. It sounds very natural. Bye, everyone. I'm heading out.
Yes, it's 5 o'clock. I am going to head out. Very common in the office. Very friendly.
I love heading out at 5 o'clock. That is the best moment of the day.
So, Group 3 review. 4 phrasal verbs for the end of your day.
Get back to,
Hand in,
wrap up.
and head out. Now, Jake, let's do one big practice. A full conversation at the office. You and I will be your coworker. We will try to use all 12 phrasal verbs. Ready?
Ready. Let's do it.
Good. Good morning, Jake. Come in. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm good, thanks. Let me turn on my computer first.
Sure. Did you see the email from our boss?
Not yet. Let me log in. Okay. Yes, I see it. She wants a meeting at 10 o'clock.
Right. She wants to bring up the new project. I think it is about the website design.
Okay, let me write that down. Meeting at 10, new project, website.
In the meeting, don't forget to speak up. She wants everyone's ideas.
I will. I've been working on some new ideas for the website.
Great. Oh, and did you get back to the customer about the logo?
Not yet. I couldn't figure out the best option, but I'll get back to them today, I promise.
Good. And don't forget to hand in your weekly report before 5.
I will. I just need to wrap up a few things first, then I'll hand it in.
Perfect. And after that?
After that, I'm heading out. It's Friday.
Have a good weekend, Jake.
You too?
See? That was a full conversation at work, and we used all 12 phrasal verbs.
That was amazing. I didn't even think about them. They just came out naturally.
And that's the goal. When you practice, the words come naturally. You don't think, you just speak.
I want our listeners to try this too. Practice with a friend at work or at school.
That's a great idea. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about phrasal verbs for work, 2-word verbs for the office.
Yes, group 1 was the morning, come in, turn on, log in, and write down.
Good. And group 2 was about working with people. Work on, speak up, bring up, and figure out.
And group 3 was the end of the day. Get back to, hand in, wrap up, and head out.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
And I think our listeners learned a lot too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
Give this episode a like.
And share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, which phrasal verb will you use at work this week? Come in, speak up, wrap up. Tell us your favorite one.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.